Welcome to the TSC classroom. I am Tathagato. Today, I make you learn about the cube roots of any number. The cube roots of any number is used in our daily life, and the candidates who can take parts in the competitive exam is also fruitful to learn about cube roots of any number. In task 8, there is a chapter about cube roots of any number. So, today I can make you learn very shortcut rules to determine the cube roots of any larger number. What is cube roots? If I tell you what is the cube roots of 8, you can easily say that the cube roots of 8 is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2. What is the cube roots of 27? You can easily say that cube roots of 27 is 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 3. But friends, if there is a large number, there is a largest number, then it is quite difficult to determine the cube root in a small time. I put some example to determine the cube roots in 3 seconds. Friends, I am showing the cube root of some largest number. That is example 1, cube root of 59319. Example 2, cube root of 132651. Example 3, cube root of 328509. It will be done in 3 seconds. Before it, we can remember some cubes. 1 cube is equal to 1, 2 cubes equal to 2, 3 cubes equal to 27, 4 cubes 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 513, 9 cube 729, 10 cube 1000. It is very easy to remember. To find the cube root of this number, we consider first the last 3 digit. The last 3 digit is 319. The last 3 digit is 319. 9 is the unit place number. That is the 319 number starting with 3 and ending with 9. The unit number is 9. Now, we have to find where the last digit is 9. Here, the first and last digit is 1. Here 8. Here the last digit is 7. Here 4. Here 5. Here 6. Here last digit is 3. Here 2. Here the last digit is 9. So, we can write 9. Now, the remaining 2 numbers, 59. Look at the numbers, friends. 59. 59. The number 59 lies between what? Lies between 27 and 64. Which is least? 3 cube 27 is least. Then if the cube roots of this number is 39. Now, for example 2, the last 3 digit is 651. The 651 ended with 1. We have to find where the number ended with 1. that is 1 only. We write 1. Now, we consider the remaining 3 digits 132. The 132 lies between 5 cube and 6 cube. Lies between 5 cube and 6 cube. Which is least? 5 cube is least. Then we write 5. Then the cube root of this is 51. Now we discuss with the third example. The last 3 number is 509. 509 ended with 9. We have to find where the number ended with 9. 1 no, 8 no, 27 no, 64 no, 125 no, 216 no, 3543 no, 512 no, 729 ended with 9. So we write here 9. Remaining 3 numbers 3 to 8 lies between 6 cube and lies between 3 to 8 lies between 6 cube and 7 cube. Which is least? 6 cube. Between 6 cube and 7 cube, 6 cube is least. So we write 69. So friends, we can calculate any cube root of larger number in 3 seconds. It is a magic method. It is very fruitful for all of the students. Any cube roots of largest number can be done in this method, that is magic method. I have a lot of shortcut. If you are interested, then you comment me with my comment box. Thank you.